Hello, check. Hello. Hello? Hello? Hello, 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 hello.
çok var ya. Yargı şu yolda ya. What now? When does it take what? When you guys come to the place, 变成今天的香港都是明天的中国。Hello， 你好。
Hello，连接单吧，单个做什么？过去过做的，你这些鞋子从鸟接不接过去？当部的刚做，你这个根本就你抢什么好过了？但是当马上做，包罗子，老个人子出去，你记得别个吃饭你了，后来没事打一把的，咱不里接济，是后来也别个不里不得什么好过了？这个娘的说上Quran说，印地的那边个，俺说这里去了也别个不里不得说了，俺Quran说阿下，你过来没事了不呢？俺大娃子大大的，俺说。저리 저지 요라 땡기 브리버다 소리 제체이기 랭귀지 비로지 송바레 다가 나지지 나라서 오스트레일리아 나기 시니기 아니 초바카 다리 투소가 저기 아니 녀주토니 마소기 때 랭귀지 페데 담보 마소 그 저가 쳔베 절루당 아니 미마 랄로 걸은 거 줘이 미마 참아야 저로 지고치 미마 참아야 저로나
界康苏的美，秋日长水中，南北卡瓦亚的不怕空拉人，不做的心马大月，不求这个松皮跟那地皮做的事儿别干，去死一别云儿，不偏就就是给别咱们养别给故事的别拉住，分中的这个在你为给，假使我能碰到这位事，那就不别雨来给我接。
도시나 상호나 요로나 speakers for the Tibet protest Mountain Flesh, Sydney, 2nd August 2026. Dear Tibetan friends and supporters, we are honored to have the following guest speakers joining our protest against the Communist Party new economic law, which threatens Tibet's language, culture, religion, identity, and fundamental human rights. And so we here today are 15 people speakers. Most of speakers are the non-Tibetan but Tibetan supporters. Firstly, I would like to ask our 4 leaders, Vice President Joshua Mandela, please welcome to the stage. Give us 2 minutes speech, please.
好的，好的。那么怎么这个的？你当然这个从哪跟介绍的当到当你家见到东北的你搞你那个包罗搞上这个你，当然你的讲说给你讲阿妈跟这你阿里纽约的你可能没说跑的你这级别的也就是给你去那做讲有的。나기 되니 거 가진 나기 나서 지들 다 되니 못되네. 나는 다주 주저 제거 그 뭐가 나기 다 나기 되니 그렇게 다 나머지는 뭐도는 연주도 그 내와 나기. 나는 콘디로스 치는 다지 제가 링크 프로 나와 나기 그 이 나서 대한데라 온라인상에 바깥쪽 건로기 네티비 토니 되니 시니야와 옆에 다 소바 되게서 냠도 나서 대한데라 Teni ta dawo jamar yawa ne ngogor ke ne lingu de tare perge yore teni ta tsai chani mabo sha mago par re jana ke chi tandi ke ngaso mereng thunde yanto kupe sia ken tem te chi pa mai pa depi ke lo dunju la si ke no la teni ta ngaso popa sai chi la se ne se ala so pa ta na yi ke ta ngaso juku ta teni khase gron tim niendo ramata khayawi thoni teni ta kanda nga so mombochi ko shen ro ke ne ni chu ta na yi mombochi tanda zongkhong no la yo ti ma chi pe ne sombo yo ta so la yo teni nima la ne jiko ta zino teni ta wang yu shi pi ko la yo ta nga so ta shi yin ba ta chama ke teni shi ma go re teni du teni nga so ke chi ta nga so ta papa jinjo wa shi yin bi cha ni ling go pe go ya chi re la 학파도 가서 되니 온라인 산내를 연주게 가서 법안도서 처마 되니 챕시 좀바면은 리윤 지차 간다 되니 이비차는 가서 링크 마음 빼고야 제대 개침보래 하나 바울로가 랑센게 너 소안나 이 가서 투데 집이 돈이 다른 가서 내는 저야 좋았더라 하나 남바서라 투지 지켜야다 난 되는 가서 걔는 쇼저로 지켜야 되니当毛不些没那有的呢，当得了期间毛不就要上涨就不给没够给，等你给家女就当的引起弄了嘛，就老压人，那不出去。Good afternoon, everybody. Today we gather here to show our solidarity to Lobgar Ramzan and to continue his wish and struggle. Paul Lobgar Ramzan, who set himself on fire at the headquarters of UN in New York to protest against the China and against the newly introduced law called China's Ethnic Unity Progress Law and their illegal occupation of Tibet, and continuously protesting genocide, manipulation of the Yaqui and Sinicized Tibet. Not only Tibetans, but Uyghurs, East Turkestan and Hong Kong and so on. So today, we here stand in peace, but refuse to be silent. We will raise our voice loud to be heard to every corner of the world. The voice of free Tibet will will be louder and stronger. And I strongly believe that no one can silence us. No dictators and no regime could stop us unless we forget who we are, and where we came from, and what we've gone through. And today, I have a few words for the UNO. Do your job. Do what you have put on the paper. Practice what you have said on the paper. All right, thank you. And finally, please repeat after me for a few words. Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Hong Kong! Free Hong Kong! Free Hong Kong! Free Hong Kong! Free Uzbekistan! Free Uyghur! Free Tibet! Free Jello! Thank you.
Now our very special young girl, Yvonne Lamour. She's 9 years old and she's going to speak a few words. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is El Hamwan and I'm 9 years old. And today I'm going to talk about Statement on Phawaloka Rangsin and the situation in Tibet. On 2nd July 2026, Phawaloka Rangsin, a 52-year-old Tibetan activist and advocate for Tibet's complete independence, passed away by setting himself on fire outside the United Nations headquarters in New York City. Phawaloka Rangsin was born in 1974 in Zakok Dehor in Tibet to Mr. Sonam Tarchin and to Mrs. George Lavo. He came into exile to India in 1992 and studied Buddhist philosophy in South India Monastery and migrated to United States of America in 2006. Throughout his life in exile, he remained advocating for Tibet's cultural preservation and Tibet's complete independence. His final act reflected that lifelong commitment. According to the report, it was not driven by hatred or violence, but it was intended as a peaceful appeal to awaken the conscience of the international community. As flames engulfed his body, he scattered leaflets bearing the words, "China out of Tibet now." Through his final act, he sought to draw global attention to the critical situation inside of Tibet and his call for Tibet's complete independence. Since China's illegal and forceful occupation of Tibet in the 1950s, more than 1.2 million Tibetans have died as a result of conflict, imprisonment, famine, and other many hardships under Chinese rule. Since 2009, more than 158 Tibetans, including Phawaloka Rangsin, have self-immolated themselves. According to Tibetan's organization and many human rights advocates, these acts have sought to draw international attention to Tibet's call for freedom, the return of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, and the protection of Tibetan language, culture, religion, identity, and even tradition. Many Tibetans, organizations, and international human rights advocates have expressed concerns about China's ethnic unity law, which came into effect in 1st of July 2026. They believe that the law promotes the assimilation and syncretization of Tibetans under the banner of ethnic unity. They are also concerned that many Tibetan children are taken away, far away from their families and placed in boarding school where they aren't able to learn their own language, culture, religion, history, and even tradition. Today I'm using my voice, and I hope my voice reminds the world that Tibetan children deserve the same rights as every other child. The rights to grow up with their family, speak their own language, learn their own culture, practice their own religion, and be proud of who they are. I respectfully ask the United Nations, governments, human rights organizations, and people around the world to stand with the Tibetan people and help protect Tibet's culture, language, identity, and the future of Tibetan children. Thank you. Good yellow. Free Tibet.
Now, next speaker is our many years Tibetan supporter, and also he's very good friend of His Holiness Dalai Lama and Bill Cruz. And this year he went to India, visited His Holiness Dalai Lama, and so he's our great supporter and very all time he's attending our any events. Please, Bill, welcome to stage. Thank you. Thank you. I'm really honored to be here. Look at all the flags, all the people, all the people. There is always somebody in this world who wants to take your freedom away, wants to take away your very individuality, your very there is always somebody. There are people who are Iranian, there are people, there are other people, all So God bless Tibet, God bless His Holiness Dalai Lama, and God bless you. And thank you so much for inviting me to speak. I will always come and speak, and I go back and report to His Holiness everything that's happened. So God bless you, and thank you, and free Tibet, and free all oppressed peoples around the world. Free Tibet. Thank you. Thank you. Our next speaker, Chai Lin. And Chai Lin is traveling from Canberra. It's a long way from Canberra. Campaign coordinate and the Alliance for Victims of Chinese Communist Regime. Chai Lin, please welcome to the stage.
Thank you so much. Article 63 of the Chinese Ethnic Unity and the Progressive Promotion Law that those who undermine the law, the ethnic unity law, will be pursued by the Chinese regime. Now I'm here to stand with Tibet. As Robert Garland mentioned in his final message, I believe eventually Tibet will be independent. This evil unity law is not for unity, but for erasing ethnic culture, language, and religious identity of Tibetans, Uyghurs, Mongolians, Manchus, Hong Kongs, and Taiwanese. This law devotes massive ink to Chinese communist ideology. It's a declaration of a war against the humanity. Especially its Article 63. It's a threat to the sovereignty of the free world, of the Western democracies. 60 years ago, Trump administration closed the Chinese Houston consulate. It's opened a new Cold War with the Chinese communists. Now China officially declared war against the world democracies. At that time, the Chinese communist regime accused the West of a Cold War thinking, and a lot of Western politicians pretend that China is friendly. Now this time, the ethnic unity law,
Since 2007 in Dharamsala, so I know a little bit more than most Australians do, not all. Now, in March 2026, going into effect this last month, this shocking law was passed. The law on promoting ethnic unity and progress. Shared national unity. What a crock. What a crock of shite. This is absolutely oppression for all the minorities who are suffering under the yoke of Chinese Communist Party rule. Mandarin in education. What's wrong with Tibetan language? It's got a long written history, enormous depth, great dignity. The religion, the language, the culture, the people, and the land before it was occupied. This requires this law. They actually want to go overseas and pull people away. How dare they go into other countries and make laws if they can charge them if you don't support bent over to say goodbye, and he whispered in my ear, they're never getting their land back. I was chilled. I was chilled in 2008 to see 15,000 Chinese students hissing monkey and scum at the Tibetan torture survivors. I was there. I had an arm around 2 nuns who had been tortured shockingly with electric cattle prods. This social integration law encourages inter-ethnic marriages between Han majority and minority groups. Yes, they've got excess men. They can't put them all in their very big army, so they want them to marry other women. And we saw what happened to that. Studies have been done on that. Any Tibetan women that married into those guys, many of them were never allowed to in accordance with standard legal practices. China lies. The critics, the human rights organizations and international bodies argue that this law legally enforces the first discrimination of minority groups like Tibetans, religious and others from conformity, not protecting diversity and equality as they claim. Theoretically, the statist system promotes equality, while respecting and embracing promoting beautiful all objections to this law. We're just taking our attempts to maintain peace, they say. China lies. You can see from their faces. They're all traumatized from childhood. You can see from the nastiness of the propaganda on social media. They say China is a country governed by the rule of law. They've sent people to learn the words of free countries' laws, but not to implement the freedoms of those countries. They say this will not affect normal people and cultural exchange, academic dialogue or economics and trade. Trade, yes. Australia has a difficulty with that. I'm aware of that as an Australian. Cooperation between China and other countries. Wait a second. I have to say to you that this brave man was 20 years younger than me. how on earth he could stand and set fire to himself was because of a strength he involved nobody else. I couldn't do it, most people couldn't do it, but he felt strongly about this law. Free Tibet, free oppression, and all the countries, including now Burma, which is in a shocking state, quietly while the world is a mess. Burma is now run by China and Burmese puppets. Thank you.
Next, our speaker, Professor Chung Yifang, University of Technology Sydney, spokesperson for the Australia and New Zealand Alliance for the Victims of the Chinese Communist Regime. Please, Professor Chung Yifang, please welcome to the stage.
Thank you for the honor of invitation. As I come to support your support, as I come to pay my respect to the President I admire your fighting spirit. I admire your courage.
What we want! We want Tibet! What we want! We want Tibet! What we want! Free Tibet! What we want! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Political prisoners. Release! Release! Political prisoners! Release! Release! Political prisoners! Release! Release! Political prisoners! Where is Benjamin Lama? CCP!
Where's the Benjamin Lama?
CCP!
Where's the Benjamin Lama?
CCP!
Where's the Benjamin Lama?
United Nations. Wake up! 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 Tibetans enough. Tibetan belongs to Tibetans. Tibet belongs to Tibet. Tibet belongs to Tibet belongs to Tibet belongs to Free Tibet. 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 China alive.
Tibetan dies!
China alive.
Tibetan dies!
China alive.
Justice for!
is watching? Where is watching?
Justice for
Freedom.
Justice for
Local Ramsey.
Justice for
Local Ramsey.
Justice for
Local Ramsey.
I am Tibetan. 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 I am Tibetan.
We are Tibetans.
Now, our next speaker, Dr. Mak Zong, former chairman for the Chinese Alliance for the Democracy. Please, Dr. Mak Zong, welcome to the stage.
Yes, thank you very much. It's our honor to be invited to commemorate to the people who are, including monks, nuns, and the lay people who put themselves on fire to protest the people, the Chinese CCP's systematic operation, repression, and culture genocide of the Chinese government on the people, Tibetan people. Every time I heard Tibetan people self-inflamed, I was shocked. And I understand. Firstly, I stand here to express my deepest sorrow and grief to the people, to Tibetan people. And secondly, I strongly condemn CCP and CCP government and the CCP regime. And here I also want to stress that not only Tibetan people are suffering from the CCP government, but all the Chinese entities are suffering from the Chinese government. We all have the common enemy. That's the CCP government. The CCP government is the root of the suffering and the difficulties made by them to all the people in China. And in the face of such evil, we may all feel conflict. We look for and inspiration from the work of His Dalai Lama, His Holiness the Dalai Lama. What Dalai Lama says, strategy should be utilized as a source of strength. No matter what sort of difficulties, how painful the experience is, if we lose our hope, that is our real disaster. Let me translate in Chinese for Dalai Lama say, 悲剧应当被作为力量的源泉，不论面临何种困难，不论感觉多么痛苦，我们要保持希望。如果我们失去希望，那才是真正的 disaster， 真正的悲剧。Yes, we must draw hope from the burning flame of martyrdom in Tibet. We must not lose hope. We will see hope and freedom in our lifetime. As a Chinese scholar and the active and senior member of the Chinese Alliance for Democracy, I believe Dalai Lama's full the spirit and full of kindness, compassion, courage, wisdom, and vision would benefit both Tibetan and Chinese people. Let us unite and continue to fight by a good fight. My dear brothers and sisters, I mean Tibetan brothers and sisters, I will and my fellow will continue to fight with you. We will work with you every step on the road to hope and freedom and free China.
Hare
Amen.